Today we will discuss a new medicine named Helleborus niger. First we will start from its introduction. Source of this medicine is vegetable kingdom. The other name of these medicines are Christmas rose, black hellebore, snow rose. Family from which it belongs is Ranunculaceae family and prover is Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Duration of action of this medicine is, as per Dr. Clark, 20 to 30 days. Miasmatic background, Sora in the background. And diathesis is tubercular diathesis. Temperament, irritable temperament. And the thermal relationship is chilly patient. Now we start from its introduction. It produces a condition of sensorial depression. Sees, hears, tastes imperfectly, and general muscular weakness is found in this medicine, which may go on the complete paralysis accompanied by dropsical effusions, hence a remedy in low state of vitality and serious disease. Characteristics aggravation from 4 to 8 pm, just like the lycopodium, and there is a sinking sensation, a state of effusion in hydrocephalus, mania of a melancholic type. When we talk about particulars, first we talk about the mind symptoms, which are slow in answering, thoughtless, staring look, involuntary sighing, complete unconsciousness, picks lips and clothes. In head symptoms, we get that forehead wrinkled in folds, cold sweat, stupefying headache, rolls head day and night, moaning, sudden screams, bores head into pillow, beats it with hands, dull pain in occiput, with sensation of water swashing inside, headache culminates in vomiting. In eye symptom we get eyeballs turn upward, squinting, vacant look, pupils dilated, eyes wide open, sunken, and there is a night blindness. In nose symptoms, we get that the nose are dirty, dry nostrils, rubbed nose, smell diminished, nose pointed. In face, there is pale, sunken, cold sweat, wrinkled, neuralgia on left side, part so tender he cannot chew. In mouth, there is horrible smell from the mouth, lips dry and cracked, tongue red and dry, falling of lower jaw, meaningless picking of lips, grinding of teeth, chewing motion, greedily swallows cold water, through unconscious. Child nurses greedily with disgust for food, talisman with sore corners of the mouth. In abdomen there is gurgling as if bowel were full of water, swollen and painful to touch. Stool are jelly-like, white mucus, involuntary. Urine is suppressed, scanty, dark. Coffee ground sediments are seen. Frequent urging, child cannot urinate. Bladder overdistended. In respiratory symptoms, we see that the frequent sighing, respiration irregular, chest constricted, gasp for breath, hydrothorax, just like the Merck self. In extremities, automatic motion of one arm and leg, limbs heavy and painful, stretching of limbs, thumb drawn into palm, just like the cupromat. There is a vascular eruption between fingers and toes. Sleep is sudden scream in sleep, soporous sleep. There is a cry in cephalic, cannot be fully aroused. In skin there is a pale, dropsical itching, livid spot on skin, sudden watery swelling of the skin, and there is a falling of nails. Angioneuritic edema is seen. When we talk about the modalities, there it is worse from evening until morning from uncovering. When we talk about relationships, there is a medicine Helleborus foetidus or Polymnia, which is also called bear's foot, acts especially on the spleen, just like the Ceanothus, also rectum and sciatic nerve. Splenic pains extend to scapula, neck and head. Worse left side and evening. Chronic ague, hypertrophied uterus, glandular enlargements and hair, and nail falling off, skin peeling. Helleborus orientalis for salivation. There are other medicine which is used as hydrocephalus. The medicine Helleborus niger is also used in hydrocephalus condition of the babies. There are two or three medicine also which is also used in hydrothorax, hydrocephalus, like Hedrera helix, and the Apis. These two medicine are also used in hydrocephalus condition. Which antidote this medicine is camphor cinchona. It will be compared with threatening effusion, tuberculinum, apis, zinc, opium, cinchona, cicuta, and iodoform. Dose is tincture to third potency. Thank you.